all of you. As I signed with you that I'm coming back to the next part of the Word document. In the recent, we started about in the Home tab, the design tools. Then in our designing tools, we studied about the font part. So today we are going to find the paragraphing and we'll wait for the next video for the rest of the documents. And this was our work. In the recent, we had designed about the inlets and then the bold, the italic, and the more. So today we are starting the paragraphing. For the color, the rest are those font color. These were the resources that we were left. Then you have the painter, as you see, the paints. Then we have the first options. When you open there, we have the copy and the cut. For those are very simple. Then we start with the paragraphing. The paragraphing, we have the center in, the left, the right. Then we have the classification. We have bordings. We have that, the tip, the what, and then we have those bordings where you pick. It's about your preferences. What do you like? This city was made just to simplify work about somebody's want and dislike. When you click that, you see that it will be numbering like that. It's it. Then in the paragraph, we have what we can call the shading part, where we have colors highlighted. It's like highlighting the shades that whole part where I have selected. Then we have one for the tables. You can make it a table, put highlighting, you make it white, you make it blue, just for designing. Then you make your work look simplified and attractive. So let me do like this. You see like that. Then I make my heading superior. Then do like this. Look how the click through. Then move this. Then you see that my work will have a good heading. So in continuing, we have the sorting. Sort the paragraphs, but since we have no paragraphs, I just get to know it that the sorting. Then we have our styles. This is the fundamental tool when making the table of contents. Then you select your headings like this heading. Then you select heading 1. Then the under headings you will be selecting heading 2. As you're seeing this heading 2. Now we are going to opt for only 2 headings, and then we'll see what happens. Heading 1. So we're going to use only 2 headings for our concepts. So let us make a table of contents with C. Then before you make a table of contents, you have to first insert a blank page. So go to insert, then either blank page or break page break. Then inside my blank page, as you are seeing, my work now I'm going to insert it here. Then I'll say my table of contents. References. References, when you have the table of contents, then you select any of your cell. Then you see that my heading that are being selected there, being made here as the table of contents, and their pages. So thank you. Let us wait for the next lesson. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.